Video tutorial we will see next part after installation of third-party modules. My name is Sarslim. In last video tutorial we installed these third-party modules, and as I told you before, there's two way, even one additional more way to install third-party modules in your odoo community desktop version. So currently we place our third-party modules in our C under users, under our current user which I created my own inside app data, but you have to show hidden items and go to app data. Inside the app data here is a local, and open ERPSA odoo add-ons odoo 14 here. The modules which are available of third-party modules which we placed, same module we can placed if I go to my C drive where I installed my odoo. Currently my odoo location is under program files, and this one auto. So I have to go inside my odoo directory. I have to go server. Inside the server odoo is also add-ons, this one, and the main one is inside the odoo add-ons here. If you place same modules here, or if you put third-party modules, it will also run, but for best practice you have to run your module separately in another add-ons directory, because in future if you got any error or any problem, easily you can figure out which module you use, or which third-party modules uh, creating some problems or error. So in this part, first of all we will see in settings. Now I'm going to deactivate my developer mode, or this debugging mode. If you come down here, see developer mode is not active. So first of all we will see in company manage. Same you can find from here, user company, and in general setting. Currently we are in general setting. In general setting, in left side are our modules which we installed, their settings like CRM, sales, purchase, inventory, manufacturing, accounting, project, employees attendance, expense felt, and point of sale. Let's say if I open sales, all settings related sale module is available here. Same I can access inside sales. It is a sale, yeah, here. If I go to configuration setting, from here I can access same settings. Okay, so again I'm going back to cannot, it's giving the modification will remove, so I make it okay, and make it discard. And then go to settings. Okay, Okay, first of all, we'll check about companies. Currently, we have three companies creating by our demo data, which we check at the time when we're installing this auto. If I create a new company, let's see what's inside here. Here's the company logo, and actually, I have more setting this come if you active your developer mode. I'm going to active my developer mode. Let's see, and if I go to general setting, inside general setting, active developer mode. Now our developer mode is activated. So debugging tool also. So again, I have to go in my settings. In my setting here, you can see translation and technical. It's a very important for developers to create some new fields mm, and this one technical is completely a subject separate for it's for developers. So we'll discuss later when we start to develop modules of order. So here one more option, groups are done when I active my developer mode. So let's open company, go to create a company. Yeah, here you can see the favicon also this option is came. Here you have to enter company name. For example, testing company. Then a street address and okay, it's fetching data from some partner, like it testing company. Okay, then company contact address, city, country. My currently city is, if I choose a country, United Arab Emirates, and after go to state. Now it's updated state. Before it's coming by default the US. Phone, email, website. Here your text ID, your text registration number you can set, and company registry currency, parent company if you have group of company. This favicon means this icon which is show here in your browser, and logo as you can see, uh, it's show on your invoices or vouchers. So I'm just saving this company. Now you see we create one testing company. Next step. Okay, in next video tutorial, the most important thing for us is user and groups for permissions, for restrictions. So in next video tutorial, we will discuss about the groups and tutorial.